I don't know if this ever happened to you all or not, but I'm here just to give a shot. Because why not? I'm getting content. Okay, so let's get into the video. Once I was chilling with my girlfriend in my car after her office, okay, I saw two police bikes running past me and was not sure they could turn. One of them came and asked, "Maud khat chula," means drinking alcohol. To which I said no. We were just talking. We actually had no alcohol with us. Okay. Shall natak mane okay. Okay. We were talking and munching on some chips. Then they then that I guess he was also then that one officer told, "हाँ খেয়েও না জানো তো খেতে ভালোই লাগে তারপর যত সব ঝামেলা ঝগড়া হয় তারপর আমাদেরকে ডাকতে হয়।" ओ हो तो वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी ट्रांसलेशन लिखा हुआ है, आप लोग पढ़ लेना. ओके आई सेड नो वी वर नॉट हैविंग एनीथिंग. ही वाज जस्ट रेडी टू गो. ओके चलो. आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही इज जस्ट पोकिंग हिम और हिज गर्लफ्रेंड. आई डोंट नो, नॉट हिज गर्लफ्रेंड बाय द वे, बट the policemen are poking that guy. I don't know why. Okay, now for some days an old man was harassing my girlfriends over call lessons. So while he was leaving, I thought of reporting the same to him. He stopped and I came out of my car and explained him the situation. He asked me about me and my girlfriend, like where are we from, where do you stay, where do we do, etc. etc. Then he told me to report the same in my local police station, and then call him and give him a thrashing so he never disturbs again. I said okay will do. Now he tells me, আমি তো আপনাকে বলে দিলাম কি করতে হবে, এবার আপনি ছোট ভাইটাকে একটু হেল্প করুন কিছু দিয়ে. ওকে 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 I was surprised. He must be around 52 to 53. Oh my god. Choto bhai. Choto bhai, I guess you guys can understand. Choto bhai means younger brother. That means, I guess that policeman is asking for some bribe. Brother, give me bribe. Okay, that policeman will be around 52 to 53. And I was 27. Oh, cringe. Now he started nagging for money. Kichu taka dao, khushi hoye, ja debe kintu dao. Oh my god. I was like, I banged my head on the wall. That's true. Okay. I offered him some tea, to which he said he just had now. একটা biryani বা মালের নিট দিতেই পারেন ছোট ভাইটাকে. I said, I'm very young to you. I can offer you tea max to max. You can take this 50 rupees. You know what? I was about to read 500, but it was 50. भाई घूसखोरी का भी एक लेवल होता है. मतलब the guy who is suffering through all this, because he's so innocent, he's not able to understand that he wants bribe. I guess he is able to understand, but he don't wants to feed bribe, because bribery is already very much feeded, and bribery is on top level in our country. So I guess he don't want to feed it, so he was not happy, wore the helmet and went away on his bike. That's really nice. You know what I want to say in the end, that there are many policemen. I don't know how they got into the police post, how they get this police post. I really don't know. But you know what? Not all police officers are like that. They're really amazing. They'll ask you if you're feeling nauseous. If they see you if you're feeling nauseous, they will ask you, are you okay? Do you want some tea with some water or anything? Do you want something? They're really amazing. But just because of some few policemen, they're like, they have nothing in our country left. It feels like, because of them, it feels like that in our country it's only bribery. They are feeded by bribery. Their house is running just by bribery. And I have nothing much to say about it. By the way, commission is something that appreciable, because as being a commerce student, we take commission as a charge, where it is mentioned that if it's a charge, then we mention commission as a charge. But what I meant to say is, if you're doing the job, then whatever 2 or 3% of the commission from the total amount will be calculated is yours. No problem. But here, what you're doing, bro, as being a policeman, that's your work to do. Okay, not ours. So that's all for the reaction video, and that's on interesting encounter with the police in Calcutta. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.